Steak. The word itself evokes a sense of primal satisfaction, of fire-kissed flavours and juicy indulgence. But where did our love affair with this cut of meat begin? The origins of steak are shrouded in the mists of time, lost to prehistory. Imagine our early ancestors gathered around flickering flames. They savour the rich aroma of roasted meat, a taste of survival and triumph. While the exact timeline remains elusive, archaeological evidence hints at our long-standing relationship with steak. Charred animal bones dating back millions of years suggest early humans were cooking meat over open fires. This rudimentary form of cooking, a far cry from today's sophisticated techniques, marked the beginning of our culinary journey with steak. The ability to cook meat, to transform it from tough and raw to tender and flavorful, was a pivotal moment in human history. The story of steak intertwines with the rise and fall of civilizations, leaving its mark on culinary traditions across the globe. The term steak, from the mid-15th century Norse word steik, originally described a thick slice of meat, especially from an animal's hindquarters. While Italy is often considered the birthplace of steaks as we know them today, France and England played significant roles in shaping the modern steak. English merchants at the day of St. Lawrence anglicised bistecca into beefsteak, or simply steak. The first recorded mention of steak in America dates to 1724, when British explorer Captain John Smith wrote about eating beef in the Virginia colony. Initially, steak was made from sheep or pig meat and cooked over an open flame, and remained a luxury, often reserved for the wealthy and powerful. Fast forward to the Renaissance, and we see a renewed appreciation for culinary arts. Today, the world of steak is vast and varied, with different cultures boasting their own prized cuts and cooking styles. Over time, various cultures have created unique steak dishes, leading to the diverse array enjoyed today. Today, steaks are cut from various animals, including cattle, bison, buffalo, camel, goat, horse, kangaroo, sheep, ostrich, pigs, turkey, and deer. In Argentina, grilling, or asado, is an art form, and grass-fed beef is prized for its intense flavour. Italy, on the other hand, is known for its exquisite Chianina beef, a breed with ancient roots that produces incredibly flavourful steaks. Each cut of steak, from the well-marbled ribeye to the lean and flavourful filet mignon, offers a unique culinary experience. The cut, the breed, and the way the animal was raised all contribute to the final flavour and texture of the steak. This incredible diversity ensures that there's a perfect steak out there for every palate. Section 4. The Art of the Grill, Modern Steak Mastery. Did you know that Kobe beef, a prized type of Wagyu from Japan, is renowned for its strict raising methods and marbled meat, leading to its high price of around $300 per pound? Grilling remains a popular method, but techniques like sous vide, reverse searing and smoking have gained traction, offering greater control over temperature and texture. While some prefer their steak well done, this cooking method can reduce the meat's nutritional value and potentially create harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines. Achieving that ideal crust while maintaining a juicy, tender interior requires precise timing and temperature control. Modern cooking technologies, from high-tech grills to sous vide machines, empower both professional chefs and home cooks to achieve steak perfection. The science of flavour. Aging is crucial for developing rich, complex flavours in premium steaks. Dry aging involves storing beef in a controlled environment for weeks. Wet aging uses vacuum-sealed bags. It offers more control over moisture loss. Kobe beef's marbling results in unparalleled tenderness and flavour. Aging unlocks a depth of flavour, transforming a good steak into an unforgettable experience. Section 6. A world of steak delights, top cuts and culinary destinations. For true steak aficionados, a culinary journey to savor the world's best steak dishes is a must. Argentina's Parrilla Don Julio in Buenos Aires is a carnivore's dream. They are known for their ojo de bife, ribeye steak, which is cooked to perfection and served with a side of mashed potatoes or fries. Kohaku Chibo Toranomon in Tokyo is Japan's most famous teppanyaki restaurant, which offers selected ingredients such as Japanese black beef and fresh organic vegetables. Menu highlights include okonomiyaki, wagyu steak and abalone dishes. In the United States, steakhouses serve classic cuts with traditional sides. From Southeast Asia's night markets to Michelin-starred restaurants in Europe, the possibilities are endless. Ribeye, strip, filet mignon, T-bone, hanger, flank, skirt and chuck steak. Which one do you fancy? Like, subscribe and comment below.